Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I am showing you the comparison operators. So I have a very simple example about some sort of figure. Maybe you can say the figure of export for two countries, India and China, and let's say it's in thousands of crores, so it's like 5,000, so it's around maybe 50 million, and here in this case 75 million crores. So this is the value, let's say, you have, and what you are doing is you want to use the comparison operator. So you have different types of comparison operators, like greater than, which basically checks whether a particular value is greater than another value. So in this case 5,000 is greater than 7,500, so what you get is false, right? Similarly, the equals to is to check the equality, whether these two values are equal to each other or not. So remember, the one single equal sign indicates the assignment. The two equal sign basically indicates the equality. That means whether the two values compared to each other are equal or not. So when we print and execute that, it returns false. Now in case of a print, we are passing the China is greater than India in terms of these values, then we get true because we are comparing China with this greater than sign, and it is returning as true. So it's a very basic thing, but I just wanted to make sure that you understand that. Second thing is about the strings, whether China as a string is equals to China or not. Well, that should be true, so right. Whereas if you compare the string China with string India, it will be for sure false. Similarly, if I just show you that here you have capital C, here you have small c, both are China, but it will be false, right? So after that, what I am trying to show you is alternatively the true value is 1 as well. So when we are comparing true with 1, it will return true. But false is always 0. So what we are doing is we are comparing false as a this particular boolean value to 1, which will indicate false. So this is the equality sign. But if I say false equals to 0, now I am comparing false with 0. It will return true. So this is a very quick overview of the comparison operators, the greater than, smaller than, or less than, or smaller than. Apart from that, one other thing which I have missed over here is greater than and equal to. So here it is saying China is not defined because maybe I have not executed this. Yeah. So now if I say China is greater than India, it should work. Whereas if I say less than equal to, then it will be true. So this is another one, greater than equal to or less than equal to. Similarly, I have not equal to like this. In that case, it will also be true because China is not equal to India in terms of these numbers. So these are the different comparison operators that you have at your disposal, which you can use whenever you have any condition to evaluate.